Hi, welcome to your MyTotalConnect Comfort device support video, featuring our VisionPRO Wi-Fi thermostat. If your thermostat is showing as offline, both on the MyTotalConnect Comfort app or web portal, and on the screen of the thermostat, we're here to get you reconnected. You may also have received an alert within the MyTotalConnect Comfort app. First, we encourage you to touch the Reconnect button within the alert. This will take you directly to our support FAQ for reconnecting your thermostat to Wi-Fi on our yourhome.honeywell.com site. All the next steps in this video are included in this FAQ. To begin, press the System button on the face of your thermostat. Then, press and hold the center empty box. Press the Up or Down button until the number 0900 appears on the left side of your screen. Press the down arrow to change the 1 to a 0. Press the Done button. The message center on your thermostat now displays Wi-Fi setup. On your mobile device, go to the device settings and open the list of available Wi-Fi networks. You will see a Wi-Fi network labeled New Thermostat, followed by letters and numbers. Connect to the new thermostat network. Since this local Wi-Fi connection is just between devices, you may receive a message or alert that the network has no connection to the internet. This is normal. Simply dismiss the alert and continue. Return to the home screen on your phone or tablet. Open your internet browser. If you are not automatically redirected to the Honeywell thermostat Wi-Fi setup page, you will need to manually enter the IP address 192.168.1.1 into the navigation bar and press Enter. On this page, select your home Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi network password and press Connect. The face of your thermostat will display a connecting message while it connects to your Wi-Fi. Once the connection success message appears, you are all set. Allow 2 to 3 minutes for your thermostat to sync with Honeywell. Open your MyTotalConnect Comfort app and continue to enjoy your Wi-Fi thermostat.